So guys, this is my second video and show you how to connect motors and other instruments to a USB cable. So here I have taken a motor and connected wires. I will take a USB pin or a wire connected USB female jack and connect to the motor. As you can see, this is a female jack. Connect both the wires firmly with a sellotape or a wire connector. Here I have taken a wire connector and I am screwing them up and tying them. As you can see, it is done. Let's check. So I have taken a USB cable and I am connecting to a power bank. Warning, do not connect it with direct current or a charger. So here the motor is working. Now I have taken an LED light. I will connect both the positive and the negative wires to different wires. This is the positive one, this is the negative one. Positive, negative. Now I will connect them through a wire connector to the female jack. Be careful while the connections. Now screw them up firmly. As you can see, the female jack is already connected and the USB cable is also there. Let's test. Now we connect it to the power bank and you can see the light is glowing. Now I am taking a 3 to 9 volt water pump. I will connect them with a wire connector to the female cord. Let's tie them up. As you can see, and it's working too. Now let's test. I have submerged the pump into water and connected through the power bank. Now I am connecting the jack. As you can see, it is working. Now here I have made a water fountain out of thermocol, and now let's test in that. I'll connect the jack. As you can see the pressure, I will compress the pressure. You can see the pressure is lowered and the pump is working. So do not forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon and share, and stay connected for other videos.